You know, Becky, people are dying while you were counting 50s and 20s to keep their boys. So no, I didn't tell social services to take him.
Sorry, she's just...
Was it you?
What?
You done it.
Steve, you really need to get her an interpreter or a carer or something. Non comprende?
You told them we paid for Max, didn't you?
It was her. It was her.
She phoned social services.
Asking me on a Monday, I say yes. Asking me on a Tuesday.
Stop winding her up, Barlow.
Oh, well, that's a very nice way to speak to the mother of your one and only child.
2 kids! He had 2 kids until you! Oh, I know it was you!
Let's get her back now!
She did it! She did it! Look at that smoke mush!
But where's your proof? You're just making things 10 times worse.
DS Redfern's on his way back.
Security will pick him up on CCTV. He can't get far.
I should have grabbed her while I had the chance.
Yes? What's happened?
Why didn't I just grab her? Barlow! Are you coming out here?
Go away, Becky!
Or do I have to come in? Barlow! Do you not realise what she's done?
It was her. No! What's going on out there? Ken? It's Steve. Listen, I'm sorry. Becky, put that down. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Wrong! Becky, engage brain, you swing that and we will never get Max back.
We will never see him again!
Becky, just keep it here.
If you back the Tracy, no!
Move!
Please, I don't want to call the police.
Oh!
Whenever I have to.
Get Tracy to do the dialing, Ken! She's never off the phone, that bitch!
Not on CCTV. You seen that?
I've not heard anything, I've not seen anything.
Someone will notice a bloke randomly wandering around with a baby.
Going up.
6, please.
Cost a fortune, this visiting lark. £3.30 on the 82C. Daylight rubbering. It's a good job he's nil by miles. Last time he was in, he ate his own body weight in grapes.
Sorry. It's been one of those days.
You're all right, love. I wouldn't have your job for a gold clock.
Right, we'll down to that and sort it out. CCTV picked him up on the stairwell. Looks like he's heading for the roof.
Oh, God.
Oh, come on.
No, this is as far as the lift goes.
Right, I can walk.
What? Oh, you sure?
Yeah, I'll crawl on my belly if I have to. Dad! Keep getting me upstairs!
Hey, miss.
This is Becky McDonald and Tatty Bye to Max Forever.
Becky, you're insane!
Yeah!
Becky, now listen! I swear to you, it wasn't me! I'm innocent! Becky!
Talk to the sledgehammer.
Yikes.
Becky, put it down!
Leave us! Ken?
Put it down!
Tracy, leave my daughter alone.
She has cost me my son.
It wasn't me! Somebody make her believe me!
Becky, look, you guys better stay with Amy.
I've done nothing wrong. I swear on Amy's life that I never made that phone call.
You swear on anything.
I swear on Amy's life and happiness!
That little girl will be happy as Larry once you're 6 feet under.
You know that's not true, Becky.
Kenny, I have warned you. Get out! Get out! Leave us! Oh, you just love that telephone, don't you? I bet you've got social services on speed dial.
It wasn't me!
And it wasn't me!
That means no.
I'm innocent!
That blue-eyed 4-year-old is innocent. You know what? He only stopped wetting the bed 7 weeks ago, didn't he, Stevie? He got an aeroplane, a comic book, and 2 extra stories.
It wasn't me!
What did you say when you finally got through to them? Hi! I'd like to report a kiddie, please. He's loved, he's well looked after, and I'd like to blow his life apart.